our country is a place where everyone has a shot at success because Fiji has the confidence.
Gula Vinaka, and a very good evening to you all. It gives me great pleasure to be here this evening to congratulate you all for a successful finish to this week-long training. I am eager to taste the wonderful spread our cooks and chefs have prepared for us to showcase what they have learned throughout the week. I would like to acknowledge the hard-working trainers, Chef Colin and Greg. Thank you for sharing your knowledge and experience for contemporary island cuisine, its philosophy and concepts through these workshops. I am sure each participant will take back with them valuable learnings which will help them create new ways to feature local produce on their hotel menus. Harvest fresh from the organic gardens, select good and quality produce from the market and farmers, reduce their food cost, improve their profits, and most of all, please all the guests. I am happy that through joint initiatives like this, the Fijian government with the private sector can benefit our communities and in turn strengthen the linkages between sectors for a win-win situation for all. From the farms, be it land or sea, to the table, everyone benefits socially and economically. We must utilize the many opportunities presented by the growing agriculture and tourism sector to promote our local produce, encourage our farmers to plant and produce quality food, improve our eating habits, and contribute to a healthy Fiji. I would like to encourage us all to appreciate what we have. We are blessed with many varieties of local fruits, vegetables, and crops which we must consume instead of imported food, which might not all be good for our health. We must be passionate about producing and using our own foods, sustainably develop and preserve them also against the increasing challenges of fast food eateries and instant food options. Planting our own food also creates a much bigger multiplier effect to the local community. In the tourism industry, it helps spread the tourism dollar far wider. When our menus and the food options are of good quality, taste and flavor, then we not only provide nutritious and valuable meals, but also promote our local foods and its reputation both locally and to our international guests. Culinary or food tourism is a growing tourism niche market, and visitors to this market are always happy to spend their money on unique dishes, be it traditional or be it contemporary. A well-presented Fijian dish with its tasty flavor will always be appreciated, and I am sure that after this week's training, all you cooks are ready to make this happen. Let us develop the culinary niche and make Fiji a destination known for its local cuisine. We all have a role to play, from the farmer, fisherman, rancher, cook or chef to the consumer. We can all ensure that we provide good and quality products and services. Resort owners and management staff present here this evening, continue to train your staff like you have this week. Your production and service staff need to understand the important roles they play in the little things they do, like taking food orders and while serving guests. They could educate them on the various food on the menu, where they were sourced from, whether they are in season and regions they are grown in Fiji. This not only makes staff appreciate our local foods, but also educate our visitors on our local delicious and how they contribute to their health. Ladies and gentlemen, I will not like to stand between you and the lovely spread we have prepared this evening. So let me conclude my speech with a few words of encouragement. To the cooks, from the valuable lessons you have learned this week, use your creativity and innovative minds to cook up dishes you have never tried before and surprise your guests. Use our indigenous fruits and vegetables, and if you don't already have an organic garden, please start one. For those who have, plant more and do get in touch with agriculture officers in your divisions to assist you with seedlings and technical advices. To hotel managers, use local and promote our locally grown foods in your hotel menus. Continue to invest in training of yourselves and your staff, not only in food and beverage, but in all aspects of your hotel operations. All operations of your resort or hotel must maintain its quality standard throughout to provide that exceptional Fijian experience to your guests and visitors alike. To the trainers, Mr. Colin and Greg, thank you for the passion in developing our local industry and sharing the vision with government in training and promoting our locally grown foods. Congratulations on the Kana Vinaka cookbook being awarded the winner in the Best South Pacific Food Culture category at the Common World Cookbook Awards this year. This is a testament to the world that our local produce can be recognized on the international platform of contemporary style cuisine. To the host, Beachouse Fiji, thank you for being a wonderful host and partner in this training. Thank you for the training facilities which have allowed cooking theory and demonstrations to be discussed. We hope your guests have enjoyed sampling the food prepared for the cooks during the week. Last but not the least, to the support staff from the Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Information and Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism, thank you for your commitment and support throughout this week. I'm sure you all have gained a few tips from the lessons this week and will continue to champion the cause of promoting locally grown food and strengthening the link of our primary industries to save the sector such as tourism. With those few words, I'm pleased to officially close this 5-day technical workshop. Thank you. Dhanyawad. Inakavaklevu. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Congratulations.